a bit hairy, but she got it. It's alright. Hey, it was a bit stressful, but she got through it. Nice camp set up. I mean, this is the ride.
Go here now, it's all dry, but if we come here later, it'll all be covered in water.
Yeah, because we're in low tide. It's just started to turn to high tide now.
It's just one.
Sweet. I'm not sure, actually. I can see a definite one. That's cool, that's one of the wrecks.
What's in the beach? They look up down there. That metal be sharp down here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is only some of the wrecks. We'll go snorkeling out there.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, there's just one up here, sweet.
We're gonna run for a piss.
Shade, eh?